Today I will show you my stationery. So there is mine, which is my stationery. So this gives me my uncle. This is my pencil case. Okay. Then I have one. First, I have this one pen. These two pens. This gives me my dad. Okay. I will take it here. And then I have here two small pencil and one big pencil. This I write here. And then I have then I have two pencil, which is my favorite pencil, and it has fins. This two is mine. And see, there is a pen. If it broken, I will take it there. Okay. And there was three nib here. And if I push it there, and then it will comes out. Another one. Okay, I write it there. See. And then I have this one eraser, a small eraser, and this one. Yes, this one is eraser, and I have this one eraser. This take me my mom. I love it so much, and I have this also. This take me my father. Father is me name. If you do function, see, I open my copy and then see, I have this. See,
wow, beautiful.
There will be a box. There will be a box, and then we will take any shape, and then we will do like that. It will be like faction.
Okay.
Okay. And then I have this colorful eraser here. One. I will two, three, then four is this, and there is pink one is five. Okay, there is five color, and then I have my two highlighters. This gives me my father, these two highlighter, and then I have this one sharpener. This is unicorn shape sharpener. This gives me my father. Mother. Then I can play like that. Twinkle.
Twinkle.
I play like that, and then I have last. This gives me my mother. Is this so cute? I love it so much, and it shirts very well. Okay, this is my A3 stationery. Bye.
Again bye.
Again bye.
Okay. Thank you so much.